welcome back to my channel. Today I came with another topic. This machine having problem, it's not working actually. This is a brand wise Whirlpool condensation 7 kg dryer. You can see the noise. This is the problem. While I'm giving power, within few minutes machine rotating, within few minutes it's showing this service indicator, and we have to check what is the problem exactly, and we have to troubleshoot the problem first. After that we have to give a permanent solution, and we will check what is the problem first. Now again I want to show you what is the problem exactly with this machine. Now I will on the power. So I'm selecting option cotton, also cupboard dry. Yeah, option cotton. I'm selecting cupboard dry, and I will start the machine. Now machine is running. Within few minutes it will getting stopped and showing service indicator. Now machine is stopped already. Now it's not moving anymore. Now you can hear the noise. Its drain motor already start, and also now no water inside, but we can hear the noise. Water pump already start. After that, within few seconds it will show the error message. Now you can see the error message. This one indicator service indicator showing, and machine not working anymore. Also we cannot select anything, only power we can switching off. This is the problem. Now we have to check exactly what is the problem. We will go for the troubleshooting. Now we have to remove the back cover. First we will take the heater area, because if not getting heat at that time, also showing the same service error. All the screws are here. Remove all the screws. We can take it out now. Dryer, heater, also we can check like that. First we have to check this thermostat. After that we can check properly. We have to remove this. Now I already removed the connectors. These two connectors we have to remove. Heater connector. Now we have to check it is element. Also this thermostat, thermistor, everything we have to check. And we have to remove here back screws. After that we can take it, this part, and we will check. While doing this job we have to be very careful. We have to this one careful, do the job please. Now we have to remove these two screws, also here, and now we can check. Now we can check this all, that is 1 2 3 4 thermostat, also one is thermistor, and we can check continuity. Now this one unsuspected, but we will remove one side. After that easy to check for us. Now we can check continuity. This one you can see, this one not showing continuity. Now I already remove all the thermostat. I already remove all thermostat connections and thermistor connection, and now I can check. And this one already showing kilo ohms 9.73. Also it's continually showing thermostat. Also this thermostat also okay. Now you can check, you can see this thermostat already gone. It's not showing continuity. You can see properly, it's not showing. Because of that, it's not heating. Now we will replace this one and we will check. After that 100% it will be okay. Done. And also here slide that we can remove. After that we can take it out. Slide that. And this one as same. This thermostat should be the same configuration. Also part number, everything are same. It's showing 250 watts, and also temperature you can see 120 Celsius. You can see properly this one. And now I am going to replace this one. Again we will double check this one, working or not. Yes, it is working properly. Now we have to replace this. Yes, I already fixed this one. Now I have to lock. Now I have to lock properly this one with the nose line. Now it's okay. Now we have to give all the connections properly. Also thermostat. Now okay, now we have to refix. And we have to fix properly. Now okay, we fixed already. To fix with the machine. Now this lock we have to fix properly. Just like that. Now fix. Also we will fix after checking this one power connection, and we will check again. Now I already fixed heater and also thermostat, which is defect one. Now we will start the machine again, and I am selecting as same before cotton, and also I will select iron dry. This one here, iron dry, cupboard dry, low, high, and I am starting again machine. Machine already start. You can see the drum is rotating. Will getting off automatically and showing here service indicator, but now still working machine, no any issue. If you have found the same, if you are occurring the same issue, you have to remove the back of the heater, and you have to check properly 3 thermostat and 1 thermistor, and unfortunately thermistor or thermostat defect is showing the as same occurring error, and machine is still working, no any issue. We resolve the problem. Now we can hand over to the customer. Thanks for watching my channel. We will meet with another video shortly.